The state's highest court is taking a closer look at the case of a convicted murderer claiming he didn't get a fair trial because of racial discrimination.
It's one of two cases that advocates say could lead to major changes. CBS 17's Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is at the state Supreme Court digging deeper into how and the impact these cases could have.
What this deals with is the role race played in determining who got on these juries and who didn't. The decision that comes out of here could be historic in North Carolina. 10 years have passed since the murder of Kyle Harris at this pawn shop in Cumberland County.
He's a good person. He shouldn't, he didn't deserve that at all.
Cedric Hobbs is serving a life sentence for his murder, but attorney Franklin Wells is raising concerns about how that conviction happened.
It calls into question the very integrity of the system.
It's one of two cases before North Carolina's Supreme Court Monday dealing with racial discrimination. The second involves Corey Bennett, who was convicted of drug crimes in Sampson County. Both of them want new trials, claiming prosecutors in their cases dismissed potential black jurors because of their race.
It's not to be part of our judicial system, and yet it happens all the time.
Kristen Euchre is an attorney for the state. She pointed out in Bennett's case, 3 jurors who ended up serving were black.
Here the prosecutor accepted at least 60% of the known black jurors.
This case deals with why the prosecutor dismissed the other 2 jurors. At the trial, the judge did not find race was a factor.
If what's unconstitutional is for a prosecutor to strike someone because of their race, then what matters is what the prosecutor thinks about that person's race.
What matters is the motivation, not the perception.
Wells says these cases could mark a historic turning point in North Carolina in acknowledging racism in jury selection.
We would confront North Carolina's racist history head on.
It's not clear when the Supreme Court will issue decisions in these cases. I also reached out to the district attorney in Cumberland County who handled the murder case involving Cedric Hobbs. He declined to comment because this case is still pending before the Supreme Court. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.